Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is krabsfx. Today is May 24th, 2024, and I'm going to be breaking down this L trade I took this morning on NASDAQ. We're going to be going over what exactly I saw, why I took it, and why I would take this trade again, even though it still lost. So I'm going to show this here. Here's the L. We lost about 1% on the account. We started this account yesterday, so today is Friday. So it's not the best start to this prop firm account, but it's definitely not a big hit at all. We're going to come back on Tuesday. Monday is Memorial Day, so we're not going to be trading. But yeah, we lost 1% today. But this was a 100% valid setup, and I would take it again. And it followed my plan, so it's really not something that I'm worried about. So yeah, we're going to be going over my entry confirmations here, why I took this trade. So pretty much at 10:30 a.m. I saw price pushed with no bottom wick on the 1 hour time frame into this 4 hour and 1 hour fair value gap. And then I waited a little bit. I didn't take it right off the rip. I waited for some rejection. We got it. We got rejection. Here, let me draw this up right here. Price came right here. It was rejecting. When I saw that rejection, I hopped in. Price started to push a little bit into profit, but then it just shot back up and hit stop loss. We had a stop loss of 30 points on this, which is all good. We risked 1%. And yeah, here are my confirmations. Our bias was also bearish for this. That's something important too, that followed my plan. The previous daily candle closed bearish, so I was expecting price to continue down during this day, which obviously did not happen as planned, but it is all good. We will get this back next week. And also something I had here, another confirmation, was the no bottom wick on this 1 hour. Sometimes when price pushes with no bottom wick, it's high probability that price can want to flip down. So if it pushes with no bottom wick, there's probabilities that it'll start pushing, and then it'll flip and make that bottom wick. That's ideally what I wanted to see, which did not happen. It closed with no bottom wick, but that's all good. We will be back next week. We're going to throw this into our journal here. We put the date, we put the pair, how many lots we used. We used about 33.5. We're just going to put 33 here because it rounds it up. 33 lots. Entry time was exactly at like 10:30 a.m. It is a Friday too. Fridays aren't normally the best days. But yeah, this was short. Our net P&L minus 1% on the account. We had a 30-point stop here. Pretty good stop, wide stop, above this 1 hour fair value gap, above the 4 hour fair value gap. So it was a great placement for stop loss to manage my risk here. But yeah, this setup was a fair value gap fill. We saw the 4 hour fair value gap get filled and the 1 hour fair value gap get filled. So it was like a double confirmation as well. And I did follow my rules. This was the most important part of this trade. It followed every rule I had, so it's really not a loss in my eyes. We're going to get it back next week and move on. It's not the best start to this account. It's definitely not the best psychologically to start with a loss, but I have zero emotions in this. We're going to move on, and we're going to get back to it next week. So yeah, I'm just going to throw in these confirmations here into my journal. And yeah, that's just a quick breakdown of this trade. Minus 1%. Called it a day here. And yeah, we're going to be back at it next week. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to help me grow. Stay on my journey to getting funded 100K. That's my goal. Or getting funded at all is my goal. And we're going to make it happen. I'm going to be tracking this journey on this channel. We're going to be breaking down every trade I take on this account. no matter if it's a L, no matter if it's a win, break even, we're going to be breaking down every day. So today, minus 1%, it's all good. We're going to be back next week and come back stronger. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. Peace.